Changing your profile picture on Deliveroo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app. Launch the Deliveroo app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the profile icon or the account option usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile Settings. In the account menu, look for Profile or Profile Settings. This section allows you to manage your personal information, including your profile picture. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. Tap on it and you will be prompted to either take a new photo or select one from your device's gallery. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting or taking a new picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to ensure a new profile picture is updated. Now your profile picture is successfully changed. Enjoy using Deliveroo with your new image.